Good morning, candidate students. Today I will teach you the poem I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. Now the poem depicts the story of two kinds of birds. One is the free bird and one is the bird that is caged. Now the difference between the two birds, the free bird enjoys all its freedom. It flies wherever it wants, it follows the flow of the wind, and when it follows the flow of its wind, it does not need to trap the wind. He flies downstream and he flies in the open sky. There is nobody there to prevent him or to stop him from whatever he does. But very sadly, when we talk about the cage bird, it says over here, I know why the cage bird sings. Now, usually people who sing are always in a happy mood, there's jovial. But here, the cage bird does not sing because it is very happy. The cage bird is deprived of its freedom. Moreover, this cage bird's wings are clipped, his feet is tied, and he is unable even to walk properly inside his cage. Whereas the free bird has got all the freedom. He enjoys every aspect of life. Now, the poet Maya Angelou actually uses the free bird and the cage bird as symbols regarding the living conditions of the black Americans and the white Americans in the last century. There was a very great discrimination between the black Americans and the white Americans. The free bird represents the white Americans that they enjoy all the benefits in their country, whereas the black Americans they suffer a lot. They are not even given any kind of opportunity. Their freedom is curbed. And when we go according to the poem, the cage bird sings. So what does the cage bird actually sing for? The cage bird sings for freedom. No matter whatever kind of cage, you may use a golden cage and put a bird inside, it does not bring the bird happiness. It is still its freedom is snatched away. So in this poem, we're going to learn the difference between the free bird and the cage bird. And it symbolizes the difference between the black Americans and the white Americans. Thank you.